Key steps. Inverted subcuticular stitch. Initial stitch enters deep. Second stitch enters superficially, not tied in subcutaneous layer. Repeat for each stitch. Use inverted stitches to close deep layers of a wound and allow the knot to be buried in the process. The needle tip enters the deeper layer of the subcutaneous tissue, then is brought upward so that it exits the same side more superficially, often in the subcuticular layer. Bring the needle to the other side of the wound and it enters in the superficial aspect of the wound at the same level as the first side. Drive the needle deep so that it exits the tissue deep in the wound space where the stitch started. Once that is done, tie the knot. During the tightening of the knot, pull the wound together with the knot lying deep to the subcuticular layers that are brought together by the stitch. Cut the suture short and apply the next stitch elsewhere in the wound to bring about further closure of the wound. For small wounds, 1 to 2 inverted knots will close the deep layers well.